How to use the clock on an LG phone.
Text, LG. A smartphone home screen.
The clock app on your LG phone has several features you might find useful.
Opens app with a clock icon. Alarm. No alarms.
When you open the app, at the bottom you will see alarm, world clock, timer, and stopwatch. Tap on the feature you want to use. Alarm. To create a new alarm, make sure the alarm icon is highlighted at the bottom of the clock app. Then tap on the plus button at the top right.
A clock appears on screen with options below. Buttons for AM or PM at the top above a separate digital time indicator.
Select the time for the alarm by scrolling the hour and minute wheels, then selecting AM or PM. To make a one-time alarm, do not select any days of the week. To make the alarm recurring, select the days of the week desired.
Selects Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday from the weekdays listed just below the clock. Selects alarm sound and volume. It's toggled on. A long list of options for the LG alarm sound appear.
You can select other options such as the alarm sound, which can include a song saved to your phone.
Back to main options.
And the volume, vibration, snooze count and duration, plus others. Once you've set the alarm, tap Save at the bottom right.
2 alarms appear listed now at 8:30 a.m. and 12:16 p.m.
To delete an alarm, tap on the 3 dots at the top right, then tap on Delete, and put a check by the alarm or alarms to be deleted.
Selects 12:16 p.m.
Tap on Delete at the bottom. Then tap Delete again to confirm.
Deletes the second alarm.
To turn the alarm off or on, tap on the toggle switch next to it.
Switches to World Clock tab. No cities. Tap plus to add a city.
World Clock. The World Clock will let you add cities of interest, so you can see the current time in each location at a glance. To add a city, tap the plus button at the top right, then tap on the search bar at the top.
Searches for Seoul.
Enter the name of the city, then tap on the name of the chosen city that appears below the search bar.
Selects it from results and Seoul appears in the list with the current time. Adds Los Angeles as well.
To delete a city, tap on the 3 dots at the top right, then tap on Delete, and put a check by the cities to be deleted.
Selects Los Angeles and deletes it.
Tap on Delete at the bottom. Then tap Delete again to confirm.
Switches to the timer. A counter appears with plus 10 minutes, 1 minute, and 15-minute options. She selects the counter digits themselves to set them. A keypad appears.
Timer. To set a timer, tap on the second, minute, and hour boxes to set the amount of time. Then tap Start.
A timer for 1 hour and 10 minutes counts down. Click Stop at the bottom.
Once started, you can pause the timer, stop it, and add additional time by tapping the Quick Add buttons below the timer for plus 10 minutes, plus 1 minute, or plus 15 seconds.
Switches to stopwatch with a scaled down counter with an added millisecond extension.
Stopwatch. To use the stopwatch, select Stopwatch at the bottom, then tap on Start. Tap on Pause, then Reset to finish.
The LG logo of an L and a G forming a winking face. LG, life's good.
Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text lg.com/us/support. Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, email, and phone icons appear. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.